kiss on the smallest wound, gentle touch that pulls me through, standing at your door to say goodnight. That feeling when you go astray, forgotten words that got away. Goodbye did not know would be the last. When all that you're hoping to find is that whisper you can't leave behind. So just trust your heart, you'll get your wings and fly. So do try. So do try.
On the right. Are the only one who cares about throwing a good party?
Yes, McKenna, you're the only one who cares about the party. None of us could possibly care as much as you.
What are forks even for? Emmeline, that cake is for the party.
Relax, that's to keep Emmeline away from the real cake.
Don't worry, I won't let her ruin the real cake.
That's the let Harper think she's guarding the real cake.
Alita put me in charge while she went to the wedding ceremony, and she said that everything has to be perfect, so I...
Where do you guys want this?
Finally, something done right. Whoa. If you look at the size of that thing, it must be worth a fortune. Or at least a lot of money.
From your first breath